If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, welcome back to the one and only Larry's Fountain Pen Review. You got the right channel, you got the right guy. Like I'm all over the place, I ain't high. Alright, are you ready to dig in the scene with the pinster scene? Sure, I am. So what we're doing today is the Monteverde. Not just any Monteverde, but a very cool Monteverde. And this Monteverde, as I'm looking right here, says on the box, Sports Fountain Pen. It's the blue with a medium nib, okay? One to die for. Are you ready? One I picked up here a while back. So, it comes in, as always, in this nice dark green leather case, which I love the stitching around the case, and it does a great job taking care of the pen, keeping it secure, and I like the logo, how it's imprinted in the pen case. On the bottom, nothing there. So let's open this jewel up. Are you ready? Bum, 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 bum. There it is. What do you think? Yes, sir. Inside, again, it has the Monteverde inscription inside, and it lies securely on a soft cushion, kind of imitation leather. Set that aside. Underneath, as they all come, is with your little card, instructions, warranty, tells you all about the pen, okay? And it comes with a couple of cartridges, one blue and one black, I believe, okay? So they come ready, packed for your needs, so you can get it writing. If you use a bottle ink, that's fine, but if you're somewhere and you don't have the bottle ink and you want to use it, you can pop one of those cartridges in, or just wait till you're home and fill it up with your own ink. And don't forget, if you need to, you can always refill your cartridges with your favorite ink. That's what I do at times. Not all the time, but if I remember. So I'm going to close this, and we're going to talk about the pen. Here we go. Now, Mr. Announcer, can you talk about this pen, the material, about the clip, and all the good stuff made about it? It's a beautiful blue, my favorite color, and just look at this gorgeous pen. Just look at it. I'm going to be quiet.
Okay, so we have the finish is carbon fiber bands between segments of blue metal. The cap is silver and carbon fiber bands, and it is a magnetic closure.
Boom, there you go with the magnetic, okay.
The trim is described as silver.
Beautiful.
The nib is a Yovo number 6. And for length, when the pen is closed, it is 5.4 inches. When it is posted, it is 6.3 inches. And the weight is 51 grams.
All right. Well, starting to thunder here, so here we go. It's got a really nice clip on it. And as Mr. Announcer said, it does have a magnetic close.
And I really like that blue finish on it.
Beautiful, isn't it? Yes. Gorgeous looking pen. Yeah. Now this is the pen that I bought. And as you go up to the finial on top, it has the Monteverde logo, I believe, on there, isn't it? Because I can hardly see. Okay. Now, it does have a magnetic closure. So, there you go. Boom, boom. Now, I do not know how long, to be honest with you, the magnet lasts. Some are really strong and last a long time, but I can't give you a definitely honest date on that. But I use these types of pens quite often. I love the way they look. I love the way they feel and the weight of them. I love that. There's nothing that I can't say, not even that part. That's the magnetic, as you see, that would drive me away from this pen. I want another Regatta like this, please. So we're going to take off the cap and we're going to try the other end for those posty people. Now that's really nice and secure there. That has a stronger grip with that magnetic pull. So let me try that again. You can, yeah, that's a lot better. Okay, so there we go. Better. So here we go. I'm going to twist this off. Yay. There you go. And what this comes off. Now remember, these twist out. They do not pull out. They have the little grooves where you screw them in, push and screw in. See? That's what you need to do. And then we're going to come down here. And this looks like it's friction fit. Some are not. But this thing is going to be ready to go. Love it, love it, love it. So what I want to do, folks, if you don't mind, I'm going to go ahead and dip her flipper with some ink. And I'm going to use some one and only, the fantastic Robert Oyster ink, the Dragon's Knight. Tan, 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 tan. All right. You can get anything you want at Larry's fountain pen. All right. Ho, 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 ho. The life of a pen reviewer. All right. Here we go.
And of course my mind wants to know, let me see the ink, is that... Okay, Dragon's Knight as in the passing of time. I couldn't decide if it was the passing of time or maybe a K-N-I-G-H-T.
All right. Well, it's starting to thunder here, isn't it?
Yes.
Ooh, here comes Dracula, the werewolf in Frankenstein, the mummy. Dun, dun, dun. Now, I am just, if you don't mind, going to dip this pen like that. And like that. And I'm going to put this on. All right. So here I go. Here we go. I'm going to just use this side of the paper. Okay. Now this is the Monteverde. Ooh. I like that. I do like that. You know what I'm going to do? And this is the Regatta, right? Make sure. Sport. Isn't that right?
Yes, Regatta Sport. Is the nib smooth writing?
I'll let you write with it in a minute.
Well, it's curious because I've never heard one make that
Sound.
squeaky noise.
Yeah, there's been a couple of different brands that I've reviewed that made that sound. I don't know why, but it does. It's talking to us. Hi, it's saying hello. Maybe somebody out there watching this video will send a comment letting me know their thoughts about why it squeaks, but it doesn't bother me. The nib still writes awesome. Maybe it's the dragon trying to get out. You never know nowadays, huh? Robert Oyster, this is Larry, my friend. Thank you so much for all these beautiful, wonderful inks you come up with. Now, Robert Oyster's in Australia, and I don't know how he does it. He must be the Houdini of inks. But my main man, Robert Oyster, sock it to him, because you are the river of inks, that never endless flow of inks. So, this feels really good. I don't even know what I'm saying. Maybe it'll stop using it all. And I'm wondering, could it be because of the nib has been dyed black? I don't know, just guessing. Downstroke, using it the regular way, cross stroke. Now this is reverse writing for those who tend to use a pen upside down, and it does write reverse upside down very nicely. Still has a wonderful ink flow. I'm telling you, Monteverde rocks, right? At least I think so. Now, Mr. Announcer, did you want to try that? See your thoughts?
Okay, let's see.
Now, he's going to tell you his honest thoughts, and we can argue later. Here.
Okay, trying to look through the camera and write is interesting. Ooh, I just realized I don't want it posted. Uncap it. Yes, that feels much more comfortable. Okay, here we go. It is nice. It is very smooth, yes.
Yes, I can write little like that too. Watch. There. Well, there you have it. The one and only beautiful, gorgeous monster of a pen, affordable Monteverde fountain pen. So you have the rollerball or gel. You have a ballpoint. I'm not sure they have a mechanical pencil or not. And a beautiful fountain pen. And it depends which Regatta you purchase for the price, because there's more expensive ones as well. But this one, it's my heart. I love it. The color, it just blew me away, but I love them all. So there you have it, my friends. So that's going to close this session off with the Until my next review, hang in there, my friends. Be very safe. Remember, I love you guys 1,000%. May the stars be with you. Dun, 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 dun. Peace and love. And I'm going to do this short song for you. Down be kangaroo, down, boy. Down be kangaroo, down. All right, that's it. Peace and love. Be safe, be kind to a stranger, and don't text and drive. Bye-bye.